Hello and welcome to LOGIC ERP. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to stay updated with the latest videos.
In this video, we are going to discuss an error that occurs while saving a new account. Let's begin by setting up a new supplier account. As you can see, the error appears during the save process. To resolve this issue, we need to review the list of existing accounts. Here, you can see the complete list of account codes. Look through the list and search for any account that has special characters in its account code. If you find such an account, edit the code and replace the special characters with numeric digits only. Now, try saving the new account again. As you can see, the errors has been resolved and the account is saved successfully. This type of error often occurs when account masters are imported through Excel and special characters are mistakenly included in the account codes.
I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.